Hello everyone, welcome to day 26 of March Leetcode challenge, and I hope all of you are having a great time. Today's solution would be day 623rd of following Leetcode daily challenge, and the question that we have in today is binary search. The question is the easiest question of all the binary search problems, yet important because this question forms the ground level of binary search as a concept. Here in this question, we are given an array of integers and we need to identify whether a particular element is present in this array or not. We need to do this in log n time complexity, and as soon as you see log n time complexity, there is only one way out there, which is binary search. I'm pretty sure that 99.9999% of people who have been associated with the channel will be able to solve this question by themselves. I'm here to tell you few interesting attributes that you should keep in mind while applying binary search. The first one is, which people tend to often forget, that it can only be applied on a sorted array. Unless the array is not sorted in nature, you cannot go for binary search. So whenever in an interview you're thinking of applying binary search, please make sure that your input is in sorted ascending or descending order. The next important thing that people tend to overlook in interviews is while calculating the mid value. So how do they do that? They simply go for low plus high by 2, which can lead to overflow conditions for int. Consider the case where a low is also tending towards integer.max, high is also tending towards integer.max. When you add these two up, it will lead to overflow condition and your mid will be inappropriately set. So how do we handle such case? It's simple. Instead of writing this formula in this manner, what do? We subtract low from it, we add low to it. So when we subtract low from it, this equation gets updated to this one, low plus high minus low by 2. And these are exactly two same, it's just a different way of writing the same mathematical expression. And let's do that. What do we get? Mid turns out to be equal to low plus high minus low by 2. And now let's get back to the standard way of writing the binary search algo, which is you create two pointers, low and high. Low points to 0, high points to nums.length, the number of elements that are there in your input array. What do? You keep iterating till the time your low is less than high. You go and shoot for calculating the middle value, which turns out to be low plus high minus low by 2. And if my nums.mid is less than target, what do? I update low to mid plus 1. Otherwise, I'll simply go and update my high to mid. Now comes the interesting part. So this is pretty simple and straightforward. We have been doing this kind of an approach across plenty of questions in the past. The interesting part here is if that number doesn't exist, so what will happen? The scenario could be either low points to 0 or low gets beyond or gets equal to nums.length. If such case is reached, we again have to make sure that the number was not present, as a result of which we again should check whether nums.low would be equal to target, because when this loop will break, low would be equal to high. So you can check high as well or low, it doesn't matter. In case it is equal to your target, what do? You return low, otherwise you return minus 1. So let's try this up. I know you guys would have written the same algo as what I have written, and there are few variations too that is possible of this algo, but in general I profess this one. The time complexity of this approach is log n and space complexity is constant time. Also, don't limit yourself to this easy question. Although this forms the basic concept of binary search, what you guys can do, you can go to this playlist, which is Leetcode binary search or tree set problems. Here you'll find plenty of questions where binary search is explained in depth and is used extensively. For example, find peakmost element, find kth element in a sorted matrix, patient sort. It's also a very interesting approach. Do give it a shot. Search index position, it's again an interesting problem. So here I have listed out approximately 19 videos, and if you will go and try these questions, it will act as a revision opportunity for you guys. So do give it a shot. This brings me to the end of today's session. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for viewing it. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for more updates from Coding Decoded. I'll see you tomorrow with another fresh question. But till then, goodbye. Signing off, Sanchit Dudeja, your friend, your mentor, your catalyst in this journey of yours. Thank you.